Great. Um, so I will start showing my code. I read that um, I can get so much so credit in the final part of this project if I use TypeScript and GraphQL. So I very strict to learn these two technologies, not only for the grades but also to improve like a developer. Well, I use TypeScript in my project and GraphQL. It was very hard, but it was very hard, and for this reason, I am sending the assignment very late. But well, I have learned a lot about TypeScript and GraphQL. So, and this is my server. I have wrote two API docs that redirect to Apollo Studio with the endpoint of localhost because this is work uh, when localhost is running. But I I deployed the project in render is working right now, but there is a um, GraphQL don't let to make request to my database when it's in production. So I have wrote this only to show that I know who wrote and have changed the endpoint, but we will see that this will not work to make operation to my database. But well, I need help to figure out how solve this if you can help me. But well, this is the database connections. This is my end file. Um, this is my git ignore. So don't submit the end file and others folders. Well, this is all the resolvers. This is all the types that I am working with. This is our collection. Okay, so I will show you my database, buses and customers. Would be great if I can bring the ideas of buses to the customers to relation in this database. I had to learn how to do that too. Um, well, so localhost, and we use API docs. And I I can get my schemas and make my requests here. But if I use a render, for example, yeah, she's a code of Tony Stark in the Endgame movie. I was kidding. But if I do API docs render, it bring me to the Studio Apollo graph. But okay, um, it's not able to reach the server. Yeah. Um, I don't know how embed sandbox in my website. I have tried to all the ways and I could get that. I could. Other interesting thing that I would like to do is Okay, it's the same thing. Great. So I will get all the buses that I have. Um, I'll get all the customers, the email ID, phone, seat. Right? I choose one. Um, well, um, I had the mutation too. I know that it's not for this scope of this week, but I will need. Um, I will update this. Maybe this one. I just want to update the pattern. Um, okay. Um, New pattern. Okay. I got new pattern. Great. So I will update the customers. And I just want and I don't know, I will change the phone number and I will have what I want. Great, it has changed. Uh, right. So now I will um, create a new, no, delete, no. Oh yes, okay. I create a new bus. Um, okay, patent says site full seat seats to two and the seat 10 no, and um, and I want to see all the results and write if I got all the buses. I had a new bus here. I will delete this one now. Delete bus. One. Was deleted successfully. Well, maybe I need to parse this better, but the objective was to know what was deleted. Okay, I can do the same for the customers. Okay, create a customers. This name, phone, and seat. And well, my name, Christian, email, don't send someone later. seat. I don't know, number seat. Um, I want to have see great. Um, if I have all the customers, I am here. Now I am the lead myself. Okay, I will show you how is my MongoDB. Here, buses. Great. Um, and I will delete the customers. Yeah, and I am not here anymore. Uh, and I am okay. I think that something interesting to prove is to make this collection to relate with this other. To say, okay, this Alejo is going in the bus ID, this ID bus. But well, this was on my video. I need to have how to apply study, how to use this Apple Studio in production. If you can give me a hand, I would be really grateful. Thank you for watch.